It looks like a regular tank until you see the beam. No bullets, no recoil, just a line of light cutting through the air. This is ALKA-KAPLAN, Turkey's new laser-equipped combat vehicle. And it can fry a drone swarm mid-flight faster than you can blink. The threat. It's built to stop drones changed modern warfare. They spy, strike, and swarm faster than human reaction time. Traditional anti-aircraft guns can't keep up, and shooting missiles at $300 drones makes no sense. So the question became, how do you shoot down drones without wasting ammo? Turkey's answer, burn them out of the sky? The laser revolution ALKA-KAPLAN is built by Roketsan, Turkey's top defense manufacturer. It's the first operational laser tank hybrid, designed specifically for counter-drone warfare. Mounted on an armored Kaplan chassis, it carries a multi-kilowatt directed energy weapon. When fired, that beam instantly heats up the target's electronics, sensors, or rotor arms until they melt or short-circuit. The result? The drone doesn't explode, it just dies midair. How it works. At the core of ALKA-KAPLAN is a fiber-optic laser array, a system that combines multiple smaller lasers into a single precise beam. The vehicle's radar and electro-optical sensors detect incoming drones, lock on and focus the laser on their weakest point. Every fraction of a second counts. The AI system adjusts focus to counter wind, distance, and movement, keeping the beam locked as the target burns. It's powered by an onboard generator, meaning it can fire as long as it has fuel. No reloads, no ammunition trucks. Just light versus metal. The real-world demonstrations. At the IDF Defense Expo, ALKA-KAPLAN showed off its capabilities, tracking and shooting down multiple UAVs in succession. Turkish officials claim the system can disable drones up to 500 meters away and even blind optical sensors on larger aircraft. It can also be paired with AI target tracking for autonomous operation, defending convoys or bases without human input. While the exact specs are classified, videos show precise, rapid burns through metal shells, proof that this isn't concept art. It's real, it's tested, and it's ready. Why it matters. ALKA-KAPLAN marks the next step in battlefield evolution. Directed energy armor. Imagine a future where every tank has an invisible shield, zapping threats before they get close. Laser weapons are silent, instant, and cost pennies per shot. No recoil, no debris, no ammo chain. They redefine defense economics. Energy becomes the only ammunition. For militaries stretched thin by drone warfare, that's revolutionary. The drawbacks. But lasers have weaknesses. They lose power in fog, smoke, and heavy rain. Dust and atmospheric turbulence scatter the beam. And maintaining enough continuous power for large-scale combat still pushes the limits of engineering. ALKA-KAPLAN's range is effective against low-flying drones, but it's not built to stop missiles or aircraft, at least not yet. Still, every generation of directed energy weapon gets smaller, stronger, and smarter. The race is on to perfect the next leap. The bigger picture Turkey's laser tank is part of a larger global arms shift. The US, Israel, and China are developing their own mobile laser platforms. Whoever masters field-ready directed energy first will dominate drone and missile defense. ALKA-KAPLAN may be the first armored vehicle to carry a practical battlefield laser, making it the prototype of tomorrow's war machines. The future of warfare won't roar, it'll hum, because the loudest weapon on the battlefield will be light. This is Techrupt. Subscribe now before tanks start fighting with beams instead of shells.